Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, what we got? We have an engulfing blue candle, so we're gonna go up. Daily is also, we have closed above the EMI. So these 3 candles are showing that we might go and consolidate before the breakout. So we'll talk about it. But this blue candle has closed above the EMA slightly and coming back to 4 hour. 4 hour, we're surely going up. This is your uptrend, okay? So this previous low, this red candle is engulfed by this bullish breakout in 4 hour above the EMI. The rejection from the EMA. So, quite clear that this is an uptrend. So look for longs only. The only thing which I have to tell you that right now, US is manipulating the dollar. So they are, they have withheld some news on Friday. Okay. On Friday, the market was supposed to crash. The dollar was supposed to crash on Friday, which did not happen because they did not release the news. Now that means we do not know about the momentum. Okay. So you have to rely on London market only. As per me, we are looking for longs only in these pairs, and the moves will happen mainly during London session, I believe, until unless US market decides to work normally. Okay, so I don't know, maybe you don't know as well, that if the market will be consolidating now, dollar pairs rather. So I don't know if the dollar pairs will be consolidating for next few days, or it will continue the uptrend. I mean, surely as per the price action tells me that we are going long, surely. I have seen the 4 hour rejections and bullish something hammer. Let me check again. So yes, this is the rejection and the bullish breakout. Okay, so as you can see in 4 hour, we are going for long. The only problem is we are not sure what US is gonna do. US is manipulating at the moment right now on purpose, I can say, because their economy is fucked up. So we know dollar is fucked up. We know that. And also there are security issues in America. People are getting shot dead, especially students. I have spoken about this in my Euro USD video. So go and watch my Euro USD video if you're a parent, okay? If you live in Asia, or if you live outside Europe or outside UK or outside America or Canada, Australia, if you live outside these countries, go and watch my Euro USD video, because if you're a parent or you're a kid yourself and you're planning to go abroad, go and watch my Euro USD video, because then you will understand what is really happening in this world. Don't send your kids abroad. They will be shot dead or they will be stabbed to death. Just don't do it. And if you don't know why am I saying this, then go and watch my Euro USD video. I have explained all that in that. Okay. This is off topic, but this will save your kid's life. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you can subscribe and check out these links. And you can join the premium signals if you want, because personally, I would try to not take USD trades for now. I will prefer taking these trades because US market is being manipulated right now. So let's see how it goes, and it's up to you. Check out the links below. I'll see you in the next video. So take care.